On the 23rd of August 2024, a delegation from the Hynniewtrep Youth Council had attended a meeting called by Meghalaya's Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh, to discuss the relocation of the Oral Substitution Therapy Center, OSTC, currently situated at Shillong Civil Hospital. The meeting included representatives from the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, officials from the Directorate of Health Services, and those from the Shillong Civil Hospital. Following the meeting, HYC President Roy Sunrem informed the media that the Council had proposed alternative locations for the OSTC, emphasizing the need for proximity to law enforcement to ensure proper supervision and prevent any antisocial activities by those using the center's services. Sunrem also mentioned that the Health Minister will convene another meeting on the 20th of September 2024, where stakeholders of the OSTC have been asked to present their reports.
Mandawa bakatik OST Center badan nanti apa Civil Hospital di Banweng no Mardo reka. Namar bakum bakalong mata kajing don bakatik OST Center kajing kak shisha kadi namta banyarap begitu ikun samla gajomi ki bangop kajing di uat maki di gajaka ban ai ki ka counseling ai ki dawai ki tegi substitute. Nang yu ipat bakani kajing don jomani gajaka kalong penban kata ka jing lani kajing tut pat ye upat ba babun balang babun kami ke Civil Hospital. Kumbangi la penpau lambang city ba kajing don jokani OST Center kini ki kena samla kishim kabu bandon kan OST Center ba kinle i ki kambean ki jongki la kalong hakatu katiem ngilarap lapru daladehi ya kajing wan jongki beri ki bede wat yo draksu syakini ki ba hakajing syakini kinong sumar kinong syak sumar banwan sumar apa OST Center ndai kini ki dealer la ni kita kinong di ki pelong ye ki bat kum ta kinong thit yo drugs bat wan dia po Civil Hospital ndai tang katak la don kajing ja jong kajing tu ye kitiar kita wat hapo jongki kamera tiapang kepada nampak Civil Hospital. Di halor kini ki nak kalian jom pasang ngila bu kajing dawa po ka DHS pa kumjuru ngila ay ka copy jom ta kajing dawa po ka Minister in charge of health. Ban ong ba ka DHS haringkat ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society ki dei Banweng no Martor itu kacaka. Di halor kata mentang si nak kalian jom i Health Minister kajing don ringkat jom ISS jom ka Civil Hospital ka DHS berkumjuru i Project Director jom ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society baru SPCT la dengan mukla don lang akan dengan meeting but hakani ke jingalang dan ke jing kenduk ke jongi ni nak kalian jong seng ila penpau dah ka basai ban ong ba kate ke OST Center kam dei ban dan te Civil Hospital namar ku mangila ong ba ya ki OST Center kat kum ki guideline lak ro ban bu hakinu kinu ki jaka kam damut ba kadai ban dan po Civil Hospital lan ki government hospital te hakajing yang keren ke jongi ngisu tenat banong ba ki badan hakajing yang lagi perlu na kalian jong SS jong ka Civil Hospital i DHS i what i Health Minister bat kumjuru i Project Director dan ki officer ki badan tu ki sung thu bhayak e ka bangi ngires namar kam di tang bangi keren da khtien ke jongi ndai ngilalap daladi ya kajing wanra hakat kumbang ong ye pi ka jaka kan kajing yarap ye ki ndai ka lompat kajing thut yo babun balang te kumbang ida ong ye Health Minister ba phimdei ban perkhat ye kini ki shispa sanpho kita ki nongpang ki bawan po ST Center ndai pi ap ban perkhat ye ki da ki hajangot ki pat ba ki bawan ban penun kami ki Civil Hospital kalong bikin tiapang ki wan up nongpang like ki wan sim dawai te you have ni pihak ban bu ya ka interest jong babun balang ndai jong ni uba shispa sanpho ngut kita ki nongpang ki wan sim dawai na po ST te hakajing ye keren ga jong ni ko we sur ka bami kalong ba ka Max ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society haringkat ka DHS haringkat ka Police Department bat kumjuru bat ka baru SS dan bat ki nompet ya ka Civil Hospital ki hak ban wanra ya report hapo jong arpo trik September hapo shibaji kan sadon yang kacingnya lang sesisin bantau ya kilat kilinti kumnu banra ya kan OST Center dan civil syakwe pat kijaka kiladon kat tu kan ni teli kijaka ya bang ila ya keren meneh akan ni kacingnya lang ya bang impalak ban ong ya pihai kita kijaka dari kita kijaka lai sauteli nak kalian jong kini ki officer yang ngiru nak kalian jong Health Minister ila ong pihak ban let ban pet la kalong feasible ni am kini kijaka ban nak kalian jong ngiru ngin ajing mut syai banra ya kan ni OST Center kebetulan possible di kita kini kacingnya keren kawe ke bangilai syai kalong kajing don jok OST Center possible kawan ra kajing thut yo bubun balang kabar kalong ba batawi kilat kilinti kumnu banra ya kani ko OST Center nang te syakwe pat ki jaka ya kabana kalian jok Health Minister kala batha ya kini ki officer kita dah nak kena meeting bahapo jong arpotrik hak arpotrik jong September kadai banwanra kidi banwanra ya report hak kata sini insasiem pada karai hai banra dan ikumlu ban penting kena ban kini gijing jag bajang OST la ki center of the civil kanom jashu nang mat kata kadai gijing rai jong meeting tentang si kepala long harikat badi health minister.
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.